In today's recipe video, we are going to make veg pizza pockets. This is the product which has raw pizza pockets. This is the food product which is inside the box. First, heat the oil and second, fry the pizza pockets into oil and let it fry until it's golden brown.